Google Pixel 7a, this one had an artistic back cover and the camera glass is broken. So I'm going to replace the back glass of this device and have it in the original orange. It will be easy with the Pixel 7a, not like the Pixel 7 Pro, 7, 8 and 8 Pro. This is very easy, those are extremely difficult. So in order to start, I'm going to hit the back cover of this Pixel 7a and then insert a guitar pick and start the removal process. So next I'm going to use my suction cup, place it at the bottom of the back cover. Suction cup is not working with this paint on the bottom, so I'm going to remove some of the paint. Then now I can insert the suction cup here and start pulling. After hitting the back cover of the Pixel 7a, pull with the suction cup and insert a guitar pick right between the back cover and the frame of the device. The suction cup is in, so right after this, since the back is made out of plastic, it is very easy. You simply need to move your guitar pick on all four corners of this device and remove the back cover. So just like this, you can see it is really easy with a plastic back cover. Do the same thing for the top and then the other side. So just like this, I have done all four corners of this Pixel 7a. Then it is time to remove the back cover of the Pixel 7a. You might still have some difficulty removing the back cover, but if you pull with enough force, you're going to remove it without any issues. So here's the back cover of the Pixel 7a removed and the inside of the Pixel 7a. The wireless coil is here. It is not like on the Pixel 8 Pro and 8, 7 and 7 Pro where the wireless coil is attached to the glass, which makes it very difficult to remove without damaging the wireless coil. Before doing anything else, it is time to test the cameras to make sure that they are working properly before moving to the next step. As you can see, all the cameras are in focus, ultra wide, wide. Okay, before I continue anything else, I'm going to remove the double-sided tape that is still on the inside of the frame of this Pixel 7a, and then after that I can start the installation of the new back cover. This one has already double-sided tape pre-installed, so it is of no use to leave this one on the inside. This is exactly the same type of double-sided tape that Apple used. It is difficult to remove and it gets into pieces while you're trying to remove the double-sided tape. This might take maybe 10 minutes in order to remove everything safely without damaging anything on your device. I believe this is the best way to get rid of this double-sided tape, and you need a flat metal tool and you keep scraping and pushing the double-sided tape on one side. While doing this, make sure that you're careful not to scratch the outside of the frame. It might leave some scratch if you scratch the outside, and it will be visible after you do the back glass installation. So here's the Pixel 7a with all the double-sided tape removed. After this step, it is time to install the new back cover of this device. So before I do the installation of the new back cover, I'm going to add B7000. So here's the device with B7000 on the inside on the frame of the Pixel 7a. So currently it is time to install the new back cover. Just align the new back cover with the frame of the device, starting with the top corners. Then apply pressure at the bottom and on the other side. Keep applying pressure. Inspect the device on all four corners to make sure that everything is sticking on the back of the device. So right after this, it is time to install the repair clamps that are going to apply constant pressure to the back cover for it to stick on the back of this 7a. The repair clamps are highly recommended in order to have the back cover firmly sit and stick to the back of the Pixel 7a. So you don't have to use all these repair clamps. I have all of these. This is why I am adding more repair clamps than normal. But if you have only 4, it is going to work, one on the top, one here, the other one here, and the one at the bottom. So the device is going to stay like this for at least 20 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to remove the repair clamps and do the inspection, final camera test, and it should be done. Pixel 7a, it is time to remove the repair clamps. They were on the back of this device for more than 20 minutes. So after all this, the back cover should be completely sealed. Here is how it looks after the back cover installation. So here is the final result. So one last step is to test all the cameras to make sure that they are working properly. As you can see, no issues with the cameras. Everything is in focus. Pixel 7a back cover replacement done.